How to correct wrong bank account information on H&R Block. Let's get started. If you haven't filed your tax return yet, you can easily update the bank account information directly in the H&R Block platform. If your return has already been accepted by the IRS, you won't be able to update your banking information in H&R Block. Instead, you may need to contact the IRS or wait for your refund to be mailed as a check. In case you haven't filed, what you can do is head over to the website of H&R Block, log into your account, then navigate to the current tax return. Open the filing section of your tax return. Go to the section where you entered your direct deposit or bank account details. Edit the bank account and routing numbers to reflect the correct information. Double check the details for accuracy to avoid further issues. If you have made the correction before filing, simply continue and submit your tax return as usual. Ensure that the updated bank details are included in the file return. If your return is accepted, IRS does not allow you to update bank account information for an accepted return through H&R Block. Instead, if the account information is invalid, the IRS will issue a refund as a paper check and mail it to the address on your return. You can track a refund using the IRS Where's My Refund tool. If the IRS rejects your return, you can correct the bank account information in H&R Block and resubmit the return. By following these steps, you can correct your bank account information in H&R Block before filing or take appropriate action if your return has already been submitted. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.